హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనకి సిఎస్ఐఆర్ ఐఐసిటి నుంచి రిలీజ్ అయిన జూనియర్ సెక్రటేరియట్ అసిస్టెంట్ పోస్టుల కోసం వచ్చిన నోటిఫికేషన్ మనందరికీ తెలుసు. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఆ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనే విషయం గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ వచ్చేసి ఇప్పుడు నేను చూపించేది సిసిఎంబి అండ్ ఐఐసిటి ఇద్దరికి కూడా సేమ్ ఇలానే క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు మనం క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ చూద్దాం. ఇది వచ్చేసి మెంటల్ ఎబిలిటీ టెస్ట్ పేపర్ 1. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి, ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ ఏ మ్యాన్, ఏ ఉమెన్ సెడ్, ఈజ్ ద ఓన్లీ సన్ ఆఫ్ మై మదర్స్ మదర్. హౌ ఈజ్ ద ఉమెన్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద మ్యాన్? అండ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ fourth option, niece. Second question, introducing a man, Neeraj said, his wife is the only daughter of my wife. How is Neeraj related to that man? And the answer is option 3, father-in-law. Question number 3, if A into B means A is to the south of B, A plus B means A is to the north of B, A% B means A is to the east of B, A minus B means A is to the west of B, then in P% Q plus 3 minus S, S is in which direction with respect to Q? And the answer is option number 2, southeast. Question number 4, in a code, corner is written as GSVRIV. How can central be written in that code? And the answer for question number 4 is option number 2. Fifth question, Amir was born on February 29th of 2012, which was a Wednesday. If he lives to be 101 years old, how many birthdays would he celebrate on a Wednesday? And the answer is option number 2, 4. Question number 6, what should come in the place of question mark in the following alphanumeric series? C3, E5, G7, I9. And answer is option number 2. Question number 7, a clock which gains 10 minutes in 24 hours is set right at 12 am. What will be the true time when the clock indicates 5 am on the following day? And the answer is option number 1, 4:48 am. Question number 8, a clock is started at noon. By 10 minutes past 5, the hour hand has turned true. And the answer is 155 degrees, option number 3. Question number 9, the year next to 1896 that will have the same calendar as that of the year 1896. And the answer is option number 4, 1908. Question number 10, some equal cubes are arranged in the form of a solid block as shown in the adjoining figure. All the visible surfaces of the block are then painted except bottom. Okay, answer for this question is, how many cubes do not have any of the faces painted? Question is, how many cubes do not have any of the faces painted? And answer is option number 1, 27. Question number 11, the number on opposite side of the face having number 3 will be, the answer is option number 2, and the answer is also 2. Question number 12, the 6 faces of a cube have been marked with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 respectively. This cube is rolled down 3 times. The 3 positions are given. Choose the figure that will be formed when the cube is unfolded. Okay, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 13, little wooden cubes each with a side of 1 inch are put together to form a solid cube with a side of 3 inches. This big cube is then painted red all over on the outside. When the big cube is broken up into the original little ones, how many cubes will have paint on? Two sides only. And the answer for this question is option number 3. Answer is 12. Question number 14. How does the reflection of SJR9PZE7C818 look like in the water? Choose the right option. And the answer is option number 4. 15th question. This question is based upon the information given below. Study the information carefully and then choose the correct alternative to the answer the question. 5 friends A, B, C, D and E are sitting on a bench. A is sitting next to B. C is sitting next to D. D is not sitting with E. E is on the left end of the bench. C is on second position from the right. A is on the right side of B and to the right side of E. A and C are sitting together. Where is A sitting? Our question is where is A sitting? And the answer is option number 4, between B and C. Question number 16. If reason is coded as 5 and believed as 7, then what is the code for government? And the answer for this question is option number 3, it's 9. Count the number of triangles and squares in the given figure. And the answer for question number 17th is option number 3, 14 triangles and 10 squares. Question number 18. In the question below, two statements are given, followed by two conclusions. Take the given statement to be true despite being at variance with known facts. Find which of the given conclusions logically follows from the given statement. Statements. All Doraemons are Nobitas. Some Nobitas are Giants. Conclusions. Some Doraemons are Giants. Some Giants are Nobitas. We have to check if the conclusion 1 follows based on the statements given here, or conclusion 2 follows based on the statement. Only one follows, either 1 or 2 follows, only 2 follows, none follows. These are the options, 4 options, and the correct answer is option number 2, only 2 follows. Some Giants are Nobitas. Question number 19. No giraffe is a leopard. All leopards are kangaroos. All kangaroos are wolves. Conclusion. All kangaroos can never be giraffes. B. Conclusion B. All giraffes are definitely wolves. And the answer for this question is option 1. Only conclusion A follows. Question number 20th. If the English letters A to Z are written in a reverse order, then what is the fourth letter to the right of 12th letter from the left? And the answer for this question is option number 1, K. Okay friends, thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.